Hi there, I'm Christy Primmer, founder of Primetime Consulting Services. I've spent 2 decades educating and empowering others to create their most epic life, business, and/or career. I'm available for in-person or virtual wellness workshops, lunch and learns, and consulting to help you improve not only your team, but the client customer retention. We all know that happy employees make a huge difference. With more and more mental health crises on the rise, let your organization know how much you value them, not just as someone who's working with you, but as a person. I love bringing the energy and the information to help connect you as a team and throughout the agency or organization. I work with groups that are, one or two people to large numbers of attendees, whether it's in a conference style or 5 or 6 of you that are coming into the boardroom that want to amp up your vision, get on the same page, and work out any kinks that might be going on within your organization. We all know that there's power in connection and in communication. Don't struggle. There's solutions available. Check it out at primetimecs.com and let me know if I can be of service to you. Remember, at the end of the day, we all want to feel good, and when we feel good, we do good. It's prime time to shine.